Hey
Y'all
guys.
people, there's a comb here. And I need a comb.
Give an intro, any one person.
Okay, this is Macarena. Hide and seek. Hide and seek. Hide and seek. Hide and seek. Only the seeker is allowed to have weapons. But in my hanger it doesn't show that I have weapons, but I do.
And me and Nakashna don't have weapons.
Because they're hiders. Let's start the match.
We only have one mech, which is kill shot with no weapons. While
So for
Surya Teja has one mech, which is kill shot. And if
Yeah, you can stop. For them to win. Alright, I have RPG6. You told RPG6.
Yeah.
Right? Dude, move!
Every
Go
seeker-
and hide.
every
Go and
seeker
hide.
will always have RPG6.
Now,
Nakashna, for us to win, we should get under the radar.
yeah. For
So
them
come
to
here and
win,
control the point.
they need to get under the radar. Oh, with that control point, it's easy. Remember, you can't damage me.
Akash, quick, come.
Akash is found. If one person is found, we take a control point.
What do you mean you take a control point?
I'm joking.
Okay. Surya, you know I was in a time block.
Okay. Did you get the under the radar? Because you know. Oh!
I got the under radar.
No!
I got the under the radar. So I won.
Let's see if you have it. Okay. You
As you
won.
guys can see, I got the under the radar. Now Akash is the seeker.
Yeah, no, Akash is a seeker. I don't know how it's going to play out. Need to leave the team. Remove these weapons. Yo, send me invite. Dude, I'm still waiting for them to send me an invite. None of them are sending me an invite. What it feels like when my friends abandon me. Send me an invite, bro. Tell me the code.
Fine. Here you go. Take the code. Oh wait, if you type the code, you're gonna join the.
I don't care, I'll switch it. I'll switch it. Did Akash kept his weapons?
Maybe. So let's start the second.
No, he didn't. He didn't. Time to seek.
Okay. But Akash, now make sure to find it. Get it.
Let's go. Smooth operator.
So Akash just said he's gonna come after 10 minutes. I don't know if he's found it. Oh, no.
I see him.
We said no javelin red.
We said no javelin regs,
Only
bro.
RPG6.
Bro, we're about to get it. We won.
We won.
We won. We won.
We
We
got
won.
under the radar.
So that means I could kill you.
I got it.
We won. That means 2 points for hiders. I repeat.
Technically 2 points for me.
Yeah, let's do like that. 2 points, Sheshkate plays.
Yep.
Keep it on the counter. 2 points, Sheshkate plays. 1 point, NSTG. 1 point, Akash Nag.
So is it time for me to hide now?
No, it's time for you to see.
No, Akash, this is the final match. Please stay.
Tell him to switch teams.
Akash next switch team.
He just left.
Oh, okay. Could you send me an invite as well?
Did you keep the weapon?
Yeah.
Only
Akash Nag is
RPG6.
removing his weapon.
Only RPG6.
Yeah, I kept RPG6. Even though I have missile fracture. How dumb is that?
I have walked her in 6th grade. Think about that. Did he remove his weapon? No, he did not.
Did you remove your weapon? Okay.
Why did
Why did
you know what? I'm gonna change it
you gonna do
for the final match.
Why do you do this only for me?
See, if you win the whole video in this one. That's why I kept it.
Okay. I get it. Send it.
Let's send it.
Okay.
Here it
Give
goes.
it a sign.
I'm the hider.
I'm the seeker. Like it's the best for the last.
Hey y'all. Tell Akarshnak to follow me.
So I'm not supposed to control any points?
No. If you control, it's cheating. Oh, you missed me.
Totally.
Dude, he's not even controlling any control points.
What do you mean? He already controlled our point.
I got smooth operator.
I think I'm gonna get a boost.
No, you saw me.
Oh, no, but not.
You need to get it. You need to get it. No. 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 Dude.
Yes. The seeker
So,
wins.
the winner of
The
the
winner of
challenge.
this whole video.
NSTG.
No. No, you didn't win.
Fine. The winner of the challenge is K2I.
Yeah, the winner of this whole challenge is me.
Boo.
So Akarshnak, before ending the video, make sure to send that clip for me so that I could edit it, you know.
Wait, I have to show them my team.
Okay,
So yeah, guys, this is what I keep.
send it through the
This is
WhatsApp.
a new weapon,
And
guys.
yes, I'm going to show off my
Archer
team.
6.
If anybody wants to, then yes, they can show off the team.
And next is Panther. We keep, no, I kept Paragon. Okay. For Paragon, we keep, Javelin Deck 6s.
Nice. So yeah, Akarshnak ended the video and left, but we didn't end the video, right?
And these are two of my mechs. Then we go to Panther. Edit. Weapon 1 is RPG 6. Weapon 2 is RPG 6. And now, for the last mech, Arcanos. For this, we kept long arm 8s. Because it's fun. Wait, I need to see something. 375? What's gonna go on here? Damage per shot.
Akarsh.
Fire rate. Oh.
So you're going?
Ah.
I think Akarsh already removed the product. So yeah, this is my team.
Did anyone ask you?
I didn't even register to the tournament.
Oh yeah, so guys, I'm gonna play a battle in front of you.
No, I'm not.
I'm joking, okay? So
Wait,
yeah,
this
guys,
video is as long as 8 minutes. That's all.
y'all people, bye.